I want to thank everybody for the tremendous support. I'm going to Walter Reed Hospital. I think I'm doing very well, but we're going to make sure that things work out. The First Lady is doing very well. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I will never forget it. Thank you.
The U.S. Commander-in-Chief coming to terms with the fact that he will have to rely on scientists and medical experts for him to conquer the virus. The U.S. president has on many occasions been accused of choosing to undermine the importance of science and doctors in the fight against COVID-19. Many have also raised concerns as he has declined to wear a mask in public places, an issue some say could have led to some Americans not complying with the COVID-19 protocols as outlined by the WHO of washing hands, maintaining social distancing and wearing a mask. This has put into question the role of leaders in leading by example. Some political parties have weighed in.
We are with the people of the United States. We wish the President of the U.S. well.
It is unfortunate that his stupidity and denialism and refusal to wear a mask has led to him infecting his wife. No one deserves to be infected with COVID-19. Trump's COVID-19 status must serve as an announcement to the world that the pandemic is still with us and we must take the necessary precautions at all material times.
This is an important a message for the world and for our country as well, that we are not out of the woods when it comes to this pandemic. It is important that people still take care and that we are still social distancing, that we are still practicing hygiene and we are still wearing masks. It's very, very important. We have seen second waves across the world, and we will be no different if as South Africans we don't take this seriously, and as South Africans we don't simply embody the whole notion that this COVID-19 pandemic is over. It is not over.
The news of President Trump contracting coronavirus has taken the world aback, and it is a sobering, rude reminder that COVID-19 is not something to be scoffed at. It knows no class, it knows no status, and demands of every individual and government to take it seriously. We hope that President Trump will recover with speed, and we wish him and his family well during this time.
I want to wish President Donald Trump and his First Lady a speedy recovery from the COVID-19 virus. He is not the first leader of a country who contracts the virus, and he will not be the last. But this is also proof that the COVID-19 virus does not distinguish between people.
As he's currently being hospitalized, the implication is dire as the man who's leading his campaign must also go into isolation for 14 days.
The campaign that Donald Trump has been waging has basically ground to a halt. Even his campaign manager, the newest one, has been found to be positive for COVID-19. And it is not clear that there really is much of any kind of plan going forward yet as to how they, the Republicans, are going to campaign for Donald Trump's re-election.
World leaders have also wished Trump and his wife a speedy recovery. His nemesis, former President Barack Obama and Joe Biden, have also taken a more sober position in their reactions. They have both called on the nation to not politicize Trump's health challenge. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.